Hello, my name is Skylar and I'm with the All-Fill service team. We're going to go through mechanical setup of auger tooling for non-free flow and free flow tooling. So this simply unscrews. There is an alignment pin for reinstallation. From here, I'm going to then do the drum style clamp and set that on the back of the filler. And then there's a large thumb screw on the back of the column here, and it is displayed on the red sticker here. So now I can just pull back the hopper, and it's fairly lightweight, but you do want to make sure you're on solid ground when you remove it. Here is the shaft, the auger shaft, and we need an agitation blade that's going to attach to the spindle assembly. With the hopper removed from the machine, you can see the auger shaft slot that controls the auger height. That's where we do our auger height adjustment through the inspection window on the side of the machine here. So also when we are performing an alignment, with the hopper installed is the only way to do the alignment, and you're feeling for this spring-loaded pressure and that you're still able to turn the alignment rod. Okay, so with that, I'm going to install our agitation blade. This uses a 3/8 by 16 by 1 inch bolt and is tightened with a 9/16 wrench. Also, the auger shaft uses a 1/2 inch wrench and a 5/16/18 3/4 inch bolt. Okay, so now we can go ahead and reinstall our hopper. So you want to make sure that the thumb screw is all the way back and that the washer is pushed up against it. Bring the hopper up into place, making sure the gasket is in around the entire side of the hopper cover. Okay. And then give it a slight push up and back, and it goes right into place. I haven't tightened the nut and it's holding itself. So I'm just going to snug that up. You do not need to kill that. You just need to tighten it. And then we're going to do the hopper clamp. Okay, so now we're going to go through setting up auger tooling. This is a set of non-free flow tooling. So the first thing I'm going to do is install my funnel safety procs. There is an alignment pin, so do not force it on. You want to wait until you see it get accepted a little bit and then screw the wire onto it. All right, now that that's secure, I'm going to install my non-free flow auger first. You just kind of feel around until you feel the auger shaft, and then up and over to lock into that J hook, and then I can install the auger funnel. One thing we haven't done yet is check the auger height. So in this case, my auger is set too high, and I need to remove the inspection window and lower the auger down until it is about a fingernail's length away from the lip of the funnel. So now we're going to remove the inspection window by loosening the thumb screws and pulling up and out. I'm just going to set this on top of the hopper cover so I can take my 1/2 inch wrench and loosen up the auger shaft so that I can set the auger height. To set the auger height, I'm just going to use either an auger gap gauge, or I can tell by just doing it by about a fingernail's gap, and I'll shore up the bolt now. Okay, so now we can look at the auger height for non-free flow tooling. Okay, now with the auger height set, if you're still experiencing a drip, which is when the auger stops and product continues to drip out, we have drip washers. This is going to use a left-hand screw and a washer that has a beveled edge. The beveled edge gets installed upwards towards the auger, and since it's a left-hand screw, it is lefty-tighty. I'm going to tighten up the drip washer, and now the drip washer is installed. Okay, so we have the non-free flow tooling installed. I'm going to remove that and install free flow tooling to show how to set that up. So just loosen the 3 thumb screws, let the funnel drop out, and then I'm gonna lift up on the non-free flow auger and pull out after I twisted it counterclockwise. Now with the free flow set of tooling, depending on the auger size, I can install the funnel first. So with this one, I will install the auger first. I always start with this side so it kind of pushes it towards the funnel safety procs, tightening up all of 3 thumb screws. And now I can install the free flow set of tooling up and over. Now the free flow auger is installed. So with the free flow auger set, you want the last flight, the flat flight of the auger, to be flush or slightly proud of the funnel. And now I'm going to install this the spinner plate. Again, left-hand thread here. And this requires a double nut. So I have the 1 nut there. I'm just going to snug it, but not tighten it too hard. And then I'm going to take the 2nd nut, install that, and then lock the 2 together. All right, now your free flow auger is installed. Okay, so with the auger height set and the spinner plate installed, I'm going to remove the auger again and install the collector funnel ring, clamp ring, and that is tightened with a 3/16 Allen wrench about halfway up the funnel. And the reason we want it halfway up the funnel is so that we have enough room for the auger to drain out of the collector and we don't cause an auger jam. Here is the collector funnel. So I'm just going to insert that into the machine groove and tighten up the thumb screws. And now our B350E is set for running product. One more thing I want to show you is auger height is actually product dependent. So in this case, I have the end of the auger flight completely flush with the funnel, and I get a nice even cone shape of product coming off of the spinner plate. One thing you don't want is product spilling over the edge. That's going to create inaccuracies in filling, and that is telling me that the auger is too low. If you have too large of a flat spot, or the product's not able to make it to the edge, just sitting idle, then your auger is too high. So now that the tooling's completely set up, we can go ahead and twist and pull out an E-stop again, and our machine is ready to use. If you have any more questions or concerns or need more information, feel free to call us at 610-524-7350. Thank you.